Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, you're gonna love this one. This is a wicked angle. I love this one. This is amazing, guys. But listen, before I get going with this fabulous video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share because you know we love sharing. And also, let's put a comment below. Tell me what you think about this one. I love this one, but let me know your thoughts. Drop it in the comments below. Anyways, as per usual, we're looking at a really nice, interesting little niche. And it really is a fabulous niche. It's called a cow tag niche. Check them out, man. Look at these lovely PNGs, these cow tags. Now, listen, before I get going with this, let me just show you what the hell a cow tag is. Look at this little cute cow, man. This the cow tag. A cow tag technically is this. They actually tag cows. Obviously, they tag them to give them like numbers, right? So that they can sort of track and know which cows are which. So technically, that's what a cow tag is. So these PNGs that I'm going to show you, they're actually these shaped. These are shaped like these kind of cow tags, okay? So just to have some context about what it is, that's where they come from, right? But what's happened with these cow tags over time is they've been used for many things. So for example, these designs you can see have been used for many things, right? From key rings, people use them for key rings as key rings, right? And you can see they put a little hole and then they have a little design and you can tell that'll be quite a nice little key ring, right? Nice little keyring sort of fob. They use it for earrings as well. So you got earring cow tags. Look at this. This is just an example, I mean, of an earring cow tag, right? Obviously, this one isn't a PNG per se. Well, it might be a PNG actually. Might be a digital download. Yeah, it is. So this is a cow tag design, right? So they use it as earrings. They use it as key rings, keyring fobs. I mean, look, when you go onto Etsy and you just type in cow tag, right? You know, they even use it for other things. Look at this necklace. There's necklace cow tags. Let me just quickly have a look at this, right? Look at these, like madness. Look, okay. So keyring cow tags. Obviously, that's not really what we're doing because we're doing digital downloads, but it just shows you how like versatile this product is, and there's different sort of products that are produced with it. So as soon as you type in cow tag, then you'll see that these things appear, right? Earring, earrings. But it's really interesting, man, because like it's a grower, it's growing. And the thing is, it's still a small unsaturated market, but it's something to get into. Look at that. When I type in cow tag PNG, obviously, because I want to do digital download now, I could type in design or whatever it is. Obviously, that'll have a slightly different search, but just by typing this in, it gives me the idea that it's a low results, which is good. That means the competition is not so strong. Now, if we look at these, what is selling quite well as PNGs are bundles of these, right? So, like, if I look at just any kind of bundle, let's just look at this. 25 PNG sublimation designs, right? So for example, these are just simply prints, right? Leopard prints, cow prints, or whatever it is, different kind of prints, right? So it's 25 PNGs, digital downloads in this case, of different designs, right? But very easy to do, like very easy. You just literally need the template and then you drop in the design, okay? So these are just pure prints, but there's many different types of bundles, obviously, many different styles, many different types, right? There's loads of prints. There's 50 bundles, 100 bundles, Highland cow bundles, 500 sublimation. They do tend to be more of that Western sort of, if you like, cowhide-esque sort of designs, right? They do tend to be more in that sort of style. However, you know, the designs are developing, the designs are changing, and people are doing many different styles. It's growing. And you know, like even people doing like, I mean, this is a 500 sublimation bundle, which is literally random designs. You can see them all there, like they're all different types. And look, only one left in one basket. So, like, this is a growing little niche, guys. And I think where you can actually maximize with this is possibly, you know, I think definitely bundles at the minute work. Look at this. These are like sunflowers, right? So you can see that even designs that are popular in the general terms, in terms of designs across different niches, like sunflowers, you know, seem to work even for this kind of product. So, like I said, and I've said it before so many times, there are designs that work across many niches, many niches. It can work, but you just have to produce a design for it. Now, probably a good way of starting out with this kind of product is to produce a bundle, as I said. And really, probably the easiest way is to get yourself like a template. So, for example, these are templates. I'll just show you now. $2.38, cheap. Get yourself a Canva template and do a drag and drop. I mean, these things are quite small, right? They're 1.5 by 2 inch in height. So they're not that big in terms of what they are actually to produce. So a Canva template can be quite good, where you get loads of these bundles where you can actually drop in your designs quite easy. And I'll show you that very quickly. But guys, this is an interesting little angle, you know? Nice little niche to get into. Like I said, it's a growing one. And I think it's something to get into and list up for sure. But let's get into this, guys. Let me go to EVERBEE, my go-to research tool, the Nugget Finder, the Diamond Finder. Check it out. Free access. The link is in my description. So you can find all of those gems. But anyways, let's check this out, man. So, look, what we're going to do is let's look at product analytics, right? Let's look at this, man. Let's look at this, man. Now, I typed in cow tag PNG. Remember, you're going to type in, you can type in all kinds of things. It could be cow tag design where you got some. So if I just, even if I type in cow tag design, remember when you go to the search bar, you want to look for something like digital related. You want to type in something after it that is, if you like, digital related, right? If you just leave it cow tag as is, it's going to give you all kinds of things, physical ones, all kinds of things, right? I mean, this one's got a similar sort of results, 1,500. So like I said, wherever you type in, the cow tag niche is a quite a low, unsaturated one at the time of doing this video. You know what I'm saying? So you got to stay like, you got to, and you know what's good is there's different things as well. There's cow tags, door sort of handle things. Like I said, keychains. You can do personalization. I mean, look at this one. This one's a kind of personalization sort of design. This is only $96, this one, but I just want to show you, like, it doesn't have to be just the general generic, but you can actually do something where it can be personalized. And I know this isn't PNG, or actually, is that digital download personalized? Yeah, I'm not sure if it is. Well, it may well be, but either way, you can actually personalize these cow tags as well, right? So that's quite interesting, and I think this is sort of, you know, the way with this that you should, you know, look at. So like I said, I don't think it's not a big, massive seller at the minute, right? But I do think it does have some potential there. I mean, you know, like I'll just look at this one. This is making about $74 a month. Not a massive amount, to be fair, but it's 30 tags, right? 30 tag designs. And again, like I said, look, it's not even on a sale. So like it does have some hints there. The thing is, this is not on a sale and it's only 30. So if this is making, you know, $74, it's not on a sale. And like you could do like a few of these different listings or bundles, I can imagine. And you know, if you got like 10 of these, like it's not too bad, is it? You know, 10 listings of these, and they're very easy to produce. When I show you how easy it is, it's crazy. So let's just look and analyze, aside from how much it's getting, just look at the tags. Right. So let me just show you something. I'm not, and this is where I think you see some value in this, right? Is that, look, when you look at things like Western Cow Tag has a search volume of 210 a month, right? With a competition of 3,771. It's got a decent keyword score of 60, right? And then there are other ones that are also related. You know, look, Sunflower Cow Tag, 30. 30 cow tag PNG. That's actually a search. 500 keyword score, although low volume. So what I'm trying to say is within the cow tag niche, there are things that you could actually keywords like Western cow tag, like like sunflower cow tag, leopard print cow tag, and things like that. That actually, even though the search is not massive, if you can get in, then you can actually pick up those sales. So it's an interesting one to do because it's so simple to do and create. And I'm going to show you right now. And it could be something you could list up and do very quickly. So let's have a very, 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 very quick look at this, man. And let's do something. Now, like I said, the sunflower cow tag is something that people look for. So personally, what I would do if I was to do this is how I would do it. So let me show you real quick. I'll jump onto MIDJOURNEY, my go-to, the one, the only MIDJOURNEY. All right, so let's jump on here and let me just do very quickly. Look, I saw that sunflowers was something people like. Those sunflowers in watercolor style. Remember, like I'm just doing basic prompts right now because it's on a video. Obviously, I'll try to get a little bit more detail when I'm off the video so I can spend a bit more time. But just to give you a general idea, sunflowers are watercolor style. In a white background. Do I want a white background? No, I'm not too bothered with that one because I'm going to probably keep it. Yeah. Let me just see what's going on with this one. I saw that sunflowers is quite a popular one. So what I'm going to do just very quickly, just get this ready to go and put it onto my template. Now I'll show you very quickly like how you could just bundle up real quick. Not too bad, not too bad. Nice little sunflowers. Just keeping it basic right now. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That's quite nice. I like that one in the bottom right. Okay, so let's go for U3. I like those sunflowers. And then I'm going to upscale it. So remember, you can upscale it. I think 2x is fine for this one because they're quite small. They're not that big, the cow tag. So to have that quality resolution, 2x is fine for this one. Okay, so do that. Once you've done that, you save it in your documents. Once you've saved it in your documents, like I said to you, if you remember, when you can get yourself like a template. So like it could be something like this. I'll show you from Etsy as well. So look, there's a template of, there's loads of these on a page where you can actually, if you want to put it on Canva, you can drag and drop. Check out link in my description for everything that I do use. So yeah, I mean, there's $2.39. And then what you do is once you get it, you jump onto Canva. Once you upload it on Canva, just like I've done here, then all you need to do is upload the image that you just created in your downloads, man. Okay, go to your downloads, man. Get your design, click open. Get it here, click on it, and drop your designs in the little cow tag, little template, man. And you can see that's my first design, right? There you go. Right? Simple as. Ain't it? Isn't it? Look at that. There you go. And then what you do is you drop in designs. Obviously, try and look at what's popular. Me personally, try and, what you do is you first scan. You analyze. So I like to scan pages. So first 2 pages, I like to see what's selling well, what the best sellers are. And I could see these kind of prints are doing well. These kind of, leopard print, cowhide, these kind of prints seem to be more popular than anything in this kind of niche. So know what sells in the niche and then create around some similar ideas, or might be different. Like this one is a whole bundle. Look, they've got all kinds of things going on. Look, they've even got pumpkin in there. They got Christmas one. So, look and see what's a good bundle to maybe do, and then create some designs, and then get yourself your template. Very easy, quickly download, boom, ready. Put your design in there, boom, as I've shown you. And that's it. Get your bundle up and ready. Now, there are personalization, custom cow tags that you could eventually do. I think that's also a good idea, good angle. I think this is a nice little niche to get going in. Very easy. Have a few listings. Boom. Get that ready. But guys, I think that is it. I think that's it. I'm done. you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, drop a comment below. Please tell me what you think about this one. Tell me your opinion. I would love to hear it. But guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.